Can you teach me how to make my animated videos talk?
Yes, I can teach you, but I'm a little bit busy now.
It's okay, take your time. I'll be waiting for you when you are less busy.
I'll get back to you soon.
Welcome to Free AI at Video Studio. If you enjoy creating videos with AI tools and learning smart ways to use them, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to make animated characters talk with realistic lip sync. You'll learn how to take a character, add your voice or audio, and sync the mouth movements naturally. I'll also explain which tools offer free features and which ones may require a subscription, so you can decide what works best for you. I'll walk you through everything step by step using a screen recording, making it easy to follow, even if you're just getting started. You'll see practical methods you can apply right away, whether you're using free plans or paid options. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create polished talking characters for YouTube videos, short clips, presentations, or storytelling. So let's get started and bring your animated characters to life using AI.
We start by telling what we want to do to ChatGPT. Then we wait for a little while and see what the result will be. You can see the image generation prompt and also voiceover is added. So we start by copying the image generation prompt. Take your prompt to Nano Banana and click on create image and paste. We'll give it some seconds to generate. After it is generated, we click on save. Now come back and copy the complete prompt and the voiceovers. Take it to VEO3, click on create video, paste your prompt and add your character. Wait for the character to be added into your prompt, after which you click on send and make sure you put your desired character which you want to appear. After clicking on submit, we give it some seconds for the video to be ready. Now that our video is ready, you click on the download button to save it into your device. Next, we'll copy our next prompt. We take it to VEO3, upload your image, then add your prompt. Then you click on submit. Now our video is ready and you can see that it has the lip syncing, the body movement is also there. If you are using Flow for the video generation, you choose ingredients to video, your prompt and click on the plus icon to select your image. Choose landscape, then crop and save. Insert your prompt and send it. After some minutes, your video will be ready.
Quick disclaimer before we continue. Some of the tools shown in this video may require a subscription for full features, while others offer free plans or trials.
For our editing, we use CapCut. You select the different scenes generated in order to match them together.
Can you teach me how to make my animated videos talk?
Yes, I can teach you, but I'm a little bit busy now.
It's okay, take your time. I'll be waiting for you when you are less busy.
I'll get back to you soon.
This was the voiceover that was generated with the video. What if you don't like this voiceover? How do you change it? What I personally do is, you will play the video and find a place where the first speaker stops speaking. Pause the video, click edit and split. You will do this for all the videos so that the lip syncing will remain the same as you add your audio or voiceover. After carefully following all the video and splitting it so that we maintain voice consistency, then we start from the first one. Click on audio, then record. You will carefully record whatever you want your avatar to say. Then you click on voice changer when your audio is okay. You can choose to add a voice filter to your recorded audio or choose a voice characters from the available ones. For my first speaker, I chose a voice character to replace my recorded audio. For you to remove any place where there is no voiceover, just click on the voiceover and drag it to the left or right. Then shift the voiceover to the right place.
Can you teach me how to make my animated videos talk?
We are going to repeat the same process like we did in the first step. You just click on the record button, record your audio. After recording the audio, you click on voice changer to select filter or voice character so that your main voice will not appear. Instead, it will give a different sound.
Can you teach me how to make my animated videos talk?
Yes, I can, but I'm a little bit busy now.
Coming back to our first character, we record our audio and click on voice changer. But make sure you choose the first filter, just like we selected for the first voiceover we made, so that it will be the same as the first.
Okay, take your time. I'll be waiting for you when you are less busy. Can you teach me how to make my animated videos talk?
Yes, I can, but I'm a little bit busy now.
Okay, take your time.
We are going to remove all the spaces where there is no voiceover so that our audio will fit with the lip sync.
Bit busy now.
Okay, take your time. I'll be waiting for you when you are less busy.
Going back to our next character, we are going to record our audio, select the voice changer, and make sure that the filter or the voice character we are using matches with the one we use from the first place. We are going to remove all the spaces where there is no voice over and adjust the audio with the lip sync.
Can you teach me how to make my animated videos talk?
Yes, I can, but I'm a little bit busy now.
Okay, take your time. I'll be waiting for you when you are less busy.
I'll get back to you soon.
And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Free AI and Video Studio for more AI-powered video tips, tutorials, and tools. New videos are coming regularly to help you create better content using AI.